Can you really make brownies without eggs using Betty Crocker mix?
Hey there, baking enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting question to answer. Can you really make brownies without eggs using Betty Crocker mix? If you've been wondering about this, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in and find out.
Exploring the Betty Crocker mix.
Betty Crocker has been a trusted brand when it comes to baking mixes, and their brownie mix is no exception. Most of their brownie mixes typically call for the addition of eggs, as eggs play a vital role in binding the ingredients together and providing moisture. But what if you want to make brownies without eggs? Can you still use Betty Crocker mix? Let's find out.
Substituting eggs in brownie recipes.
Yes, you can make brownies without eggs. There are various egg substitutes you can use to achieve delicious and fudgy brownies even without the traditional ingredient. Here are a few options. 1. Applesauce. Unsweetened applesauce can be used as an egg substitute in brownie recipes. Use 1/4 cup of applesauce for each egg the recipe calls for. 2. Mashed bananas. Ripe mashed bananas can add moisture and act as a binding agent in brownies. Use 1/2 mashed banana for each egg. 3. Yogurt. Plain or Greek yogurt can be used as an egg substitute. Use 1/4 cup of yogurt for each egg. 4. Silken tofu. Silken tofu, when blended until smooth, can replace eggs in brownie recipes. Use 1/4 cup of pureed tofu for each egg. 5. Commercial egg replacers. There are also commercial egg replacers available in stores that can mimic the function of eggs in baking. Follow the instructions on the packaging for the appropriate amount to use.
Using Betty Crocker mix without eggs.
Now that we know about egg substitutes, let's see how we can use Betty Crocker mix to make eggless brownies. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Prepare the mix. Start by following the instructions on the Betty Crocker mix package for the basic brownie batter. Do not add any eggs mentioned in the instructions. 2. Choose an egg substitute. Select one of the egg substitutes mentioned earlier, based on your preference and availability. Measure the appropriate amount according to the egg to substitute ratio we discussed. 3. Incorporate the substitute. Add the chosen egg substitute to the brownie mix. Mix everything well until the batter is smooth and all the ingredients are evenly combined. 4. Bake as directed. Preheat your oven to the temperature specified on the Betty Crocker mix package. Transfer the brownie batter to a greased or lined baking pan, and bake according to the time and temperature mentioned on the package. 5. Check for doneness. To ensure the brownies are fully baked, insert a toothpick or a skewer into the center. If it comes out with a few moist crumbs, the brownies are ready. If not, bake for a few more minutes and retest. So there you have it, folks. You can definitely make delicious brownies without eggs using Betty Crocker mix. Just remember to choose a suitable egg substitute, follow the package instructions while excluding the eggs, and bake as directed. Now, go ahead, grab that Betty Crocker mix, and whip up some mouth-watering eggless brownies. Happy baking!